Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to check a new product that is very trending. It's a wall switch. It can be controlled with your mobile phone. As you can see, this wall switch is really flat. That is because it doesn't have physical buttons. It works when you tap the circle with the palm of your hand, or your mobile phone. I will show that later. The box is very simple. It has the switch and the screws to attach it with the wall. Now let's connect it to the light and then we can see how it works. Let's see if it works. As you can see, the light turns on when we touch the board. Let's try to connect it with the phone. It works with Tuya Smart Life app. You can find it on the App Store. Just open the app and connect the switch with it. It is very simple and easy. As you can see, the light turns on with mobile phone. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this.